Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's video is going to be a Klein Tools Zero Tools haul, I guess you would call it. There's not a single tool in here, even though everything is Klein Tools related. I picked all these things up at kleintoolsgear.com. I purchased these mostly based on this one item right here. I found this one on eBay, astronomical price for it plus shipping and all those things. Started searching around, found this website. You do have to do a $100 minimum order, so that made me start looking into these other things, which were no problem for me to hit $100. I could easily spend way more than that there. I'm a huge Klein Tools fan. I love all these things that I picked up, so I thought I'd share them with you just in case you're interested, and then also to let you know if you are a Klein fan that website is out there and available. They might have some things that you want to pick up. But let's go ahead and jump into some of the things that I picked up. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about the two biggest items so I can get them off the bench. Again, I had to order at least $100. They have a $100 minimum order in order for them to ship you anything. And for me to get that last item that I'm going to talk about, I had to add some things. These are 5-gallon buckets from Klein. I'm a big 5-gallon bucket fan. I pick them up anywhere I go. I've got, Buc-ee's, I've got Ollie's, I've got Milwaukee, all sorts of other ones, Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's, all those things. If I see a bucket that's interesting, it's something that I use all the time. Now with these, I'll still use them and load things in them and carry them. I'm definitely not going to mix like thin set or something in these, but they had 4 different colors. I picked up the black and the yellow. I think they also maybe have an orange and a green if I remember right. Could be wrong on that. If I can find it, I'll stick a picture up here. But these came in at $10 a piece, which is definitely more expensive than you going to Home Depot and buying a bucket. But the fact that you get the Klein Tools logo, it even says Klein Tools on both sides, and then there is Klein Tools written on it right there. They're both exactly the same. Just a different color, but they look really nice. Absolutely love these. I would have paid $10 easy if I saw these in the store. So in order to help me get to that $100, I picked up 2 of these. That's $20 on my $100 order. That's the first 2 things that I picked up. So if you know me and been watching my channel for long, you know I'm a huge coffee drinker. I drink it all the time, pretty much year round. Well, they had these mugs on there. They're $17 a piece, which is kind of expensive, except for these are actually good size mugs. Like most stuff that you find with somebody's name on it, they're a 12-ounce mug, a 10-ounce mug. Well, this is the Journeyman 18-ounce mug, so that's kind of the size I'm always looking for. I basically make a mug of coffee like this, drink it on my way into work in my truck. So as soon as I saw these, I would have wanted these anyways. I picked up 2 of them. I might end up leaving one out here on my workbench and put things in it. Like I use mugs for tools and stuff like that as well. It does have the logo on this side, and it's kind of like an embossed logo. I think it's basically this material with the black removed, and then the outside of it is black. Logo is on both sides, and then also you have this on the bottom with the Klein Tools logo. It says microwave and dishwasher safe and handcrafted in the USA. There's the part number again, 18-ounce mug. So I ended up picking up 2 of these because, again, I was trying to get to that $100 range. They had plenty of other stuff I liked. I bought 2 of these because I actually wanted 2 of them. Again, basically because they are 18 ounces. If they were like a 10-ounce mug or a 12-ounce mug, I would have only bought one because I'd have basically been using it in the way that I use my Ron Swanson mug only. But I will actually drink out of these due to the size. So 2 Klein Tools mugs. That was what was added to my order to get me to that $100. Next up, and I was pleasantly surprised with this, it kind of even exceeds my expectation. This was a Auto Toolbox logo, and the picture really only showed this right here. It's basically one of those logos like you see on the back of trucks and things like that that say 4x4 and all those kinds of things. That same kind of idea, except for it is the Klein Tools logo with also this side over here. You peel this off and stick it on something. I wasn't real sure what I was going to do with it, but it was $10, and I needed $10 more to get me to the $100. I think I might actually end up putting this on my US General 5-drawer cart. How awesome would it be if I had an orange cart filled with strictly Klein Tools, and then you put this on there? But I think it's still going to look good even on the red. But I didn't even know it came with any of this. I thought that was what I was getting for $10. Essentially, you get one of these that goes over your visor in your truck. So you can imagine, Velcroing that around your visor, holding all your paperwork and stuff like that. It does have the Klein Tools logo on that plastic right there as well. And you get 2 carabiners here. Both say Klein Tools. Like if I saw this anywhere for $10, I would have bought this in a heartbeat as well. Again, I only planned on getting this. This is kind of a bonus in my opinion. I'm sure I'll find a good use for this in my truck as well. And you got lots of slots over here where you could tuck some stuff in, however it is that you're going to use that. That's the last item that I purchased to go along with the main thing that I was wanting to order to get me to that $100, and that is a Lodge cast iron skillet. Now, why would I want a Lodge cast iron skillet? I can pick these up anywhere. Even Kroger has these over in their little section. Well, that's because this one also has that Klein Tools logo on the back. This is a 10.5 inch, And I saw this on eBay. A couple people had sent it to me, and it was $175 or something with free shipping, but it was $175 just for this cast iron skillet. I cook in cast iron all the time. I bake pies. I bake even turkey pot pies, cherry pies, apple pies. I always fix those in a cast iron skillet. So whenever I saw this, I was like, man, I absolutely really want that, but I sure don't want to spend $175. So this comes in at 40 bucks on that website. But again, I had to spend $100 to get them to ship it to me. So for that $100, I got this skillet that I wanted, 2 buckets, 2 coffee mugs, a Klein Tools decal right here, along with the extra stuff that I felt like come along with that, all for cheaper than what this one skillet was going to cost me on eBay. So I'm going to call that a win. So really super excited to have this right here. Again, I'm a huge Klein Tools fan. Maybe none of this stuff interests you in any way, but I just wanted to throw it out there in case you have been looking at stuff like this. That's a really good website to go to purchase some of this stuff. They've also got tons of other things. They've got things that you can even put your company logo on. You have to order those things in bulk. Again, it's more like a bulk Klein Tools promo place and things like that, to where you kind of go buy some items. That's why they have that $100 shipping minimum. But these are some of the things I picked up. Maybe I'll make a video one day of making a chicken pot pie in a cast iron skillet or something like that to show you guys my baking side. But other than that, hope this video was interesting. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.